Welcome to SEOtoole.com. Today I'll show you how to use broken links finder tools. Visit the SEOtoole.com. Scroll down and click Broken Links Finder. Then enter your URL. Then fill the image verification. Then click Submit button. See SEO Tool Broken Links Finder magic. Thanks for watching.